Cloves and lemons are both natural ingredients that offer various health and culinary benefits. Here's an overview of the benefits associated with each. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate inflammation and associated health issues. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, such as phenolic compounds, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that cloves might help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system, skin health, and wound healing. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning may help stimulate digestion, improve bowel movements, and relieve indigestion. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in lemons can help neutralize free radicals, supporting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Ingredients: lemon, cloves,